welcome to another lawnfawn video. Today we are introducing our really rainbow scallops paper collection, and these papers come in both 12 by 12 and in 6 by 6, so let's check them out. First up we have my favorite paper, and that's the unicorn mane with those beautiful rainbows. And then on the back we have this great pink and a little green stripe. Here is Phoenix feather, which is a wonderful red, and the front is more of a light color and the back is more filled in and dark. Then we have Sphinx with a beautiful yellow color. This one reminds me of sunshines and it just makes me smile, especially the back of the paper. Here we have the dragon scales paper. It's this great green and I really like using this one for grasses. Here we have sea serpent, and I love those scallops. Oh my goodness, they're so gorgeous. And on the back here we have that filled in blue, perfect for skies. And then we have mermaid tail, which is the most beautiful bluish purple. I just love it, and I love that yellow stripe on the bottom. And here you can see all of those papers. In the collection kit, you get 2 of each paper for a total of 12 papers in the 12 by 12, or you can buy packs that have 12 of just one design. In case you were doing something like invitations or mass producing cards, it's a great way to get a ton of one design. And here you can see both the A sides and the B sides together and the beautiful rainbow that these papers form. The colors coordinate with all of our other really rainbow collections, and these patterns are so fun. It's kind of Art Deco, but also really subtle, so you can have them just in the background of your card, and they really add a lot, and it's become one of my favorite paper collections. Here we have the 6 by 6 pad, and in this pad all of the papers are reduced by about 50%, and we have all of the same beautiful colors. So here you can see the pinks, the reds, yellows, of course that rainbow paper at the beginning. We've got some gorgeous greens, and then that fun blue, and of course that gorgeous purple. And you'll see that all of these patterns repeat in this pack, so that you end up having 3 of each paper, which is so cool because you don't have to hoard the papers because you have 3 of each design and each color. So I really love that there's 36 total sheets in this. And then here I'm going to show you the comparison between the 12 by 12 and the 6 by 6, so you can see the different scales of these 2 papers. It just kind of depends on what kind of project I'm using, depending on which scale of the scallops that I need. Maybe a card for the smaller scallops, and maybe I'm going to create a box out of it and I'm going to use the larger scallops. So I just love these papers so much, and I want to show you some gorgeous projects by the design team with these beautiful papers. So here's a little card that I made with the fun happy birthday set with those beautiful rainbow scallops. Here, this card by Megan is just stunning, and I love how she used it as her card base for this beautiful double slider. This card by Lynette is so cute, and I love that the rainbows are the foreground of her card, and then she's got that cute little Easter egg cut in it. This card by Kay features the scallop paper mixed with some colored cardstock, and I love the bold look of it. Here I love how Elise combines spiffy speckles with the really rainbow scallops. The 2 papers go great together. And then this card by Jen is so beautiful. I love that the scallops are front and center and they look so pretty as the inside of the card. Here Lynette created a gorgeous layout where she mixed the spring fling papers and the scallops, and they look so great together. And then here Elise used the scallops as her grass and her sky with this beautiful butterfly kisses card. And then Audrey used it to be waves on her card too, so I love this collection for summer as well. Here, this layout by Melissa is just stunning. I love how she cut a bunch of different circle shapes and then created her own wreath. You could even do this idea on a card too. I think it would look great on a card or a layout, and it just looks so beautiful with all those papers together. And here she created this beautiful rainbow of stars, which is so cute with that beautiful picture on there, and I love how she stitched across the stars. I love Letitia's red color palette and how she really made that scallop paper the star of the show, and she used the 12 by 12 on a card front and it looks beautiful. And then this layout by Melissa Stinson is so gorgeous. She did the puffy stars on this one, and I love them overlapping and how she has the little awesome star on top. So cute. And then here Yanea did something really cool. She stamped our Stuck on You cacti all over the paper. It looks great with stamping over it. So I can't wait to see what you guys do with really rainbow scallops, so make sure to share it with us. Thank you so much for watching today, and have an absolutely amazing day. Bye!